In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Myfitnesspal to Trainerize. By the end, your meals, calories, and macros will flow from Myfitnesspal straight into Trainerize so you and your coach can see everything in one place. Start by opening the Trainerize app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your client account. If you manage more than one account, double check you're in the right one before you continue. A quick tip: having a stable internet connection and the latest app version can help the connection process run smoothly. Next, head to the More menu, which you'll find as the three dots in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings, then look for either Connected Apps or Integrations. The wording can vary by version, but both take you to the same place where Trainerize links to other services. On the Integrations list, find MyFitnessPal. Tap it to open the details, then tap Connect. This will open a MyFitnessPal window inside the app. Sign in to your MyFitnessPal account and follow the prompts to confirm you're linking it to Trainerize. When you're asked to allow sharing, approve the connection so MyFitnessPal can securely send your nutrition data into Trainerize. After that, Trainerize will ask you to confirm exactly what you want to sync. Turn on food diary or nutrition, calories, and macros so your daily intake and breakdown of protein, carbs, and fats are visible. You can also enable water intake and body weight if you want those tracked alongside your meals. Share only what you're comfortable with and what your coach has requested. When you're ready, tap Allow to finalize those permissions. Now give the apps a moment to talk to each other. Trainerize syncs automatically every few hours, so your first update might not appear instantly. If you want to nudge it along, go back to your Trainerize dashboard and pull down to refresh. Within a short time, you should see your calories, macros, and the meals you logged in MyFitnessPal show up in Trainerize. That's all it takes. You've connected MyFitnessPal to Trainerize, selected the data you want to share, and confirmed everything's syncing. If you ever want to adjust what's shared, return to the same connected apps or integration screen in Trainerize and update your permissions. And if your data doesn't appear right away, refresh the dashboard and give it a little time for the next scheduled sync. You're now set up to track, review, and stay accountable with your nutrition right inside Trainerize.